Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm going to show you guys where to buy everything you need for a lash business. So first you want to go to AliExpress. You can either download the app or you can go to aliexpress.com. So I'm going to type in lashes, or you can type in 3D minks, either or. So here are a lot of different lashes you can get. You can just choose which one you like the best. So as you can see, you can get 5 pair of lashes for, let's see, $1.45, and shipping is free. So they have different sets of lashes. Some of them have different prices, but most of these cost $172, some $154. So they're cheap, and you get 5 pair of lashes. So here are just some different examples of what the different lashes look like. And before you buy lashes, oh, these are pretty, you can always look at the reviews to see how they look on somebody else. So yeah, here are just some of the different kind of lashes they have, and that's pretty good. $1.72 for 5 pair. That is a huge deal. So you go down to reviews and you just look at what people say about the lashes or the photos they took and things like that. And let's see, you can look at the questions they said, and then you can look at the description, things like that. So let's see, this one, let's see, you get 4 pair for $2.39. So these are a little bit higher, but the lashes are still pretty. Some of these come with, what, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They come with 8 pair, and wow, these are $2.79 for 8 pair of lashes. That is really good, and the lashes look really good too. As you can see, they come in different sizes and different kind of lashes. Oh, these are pretty. So yeah, they have a lot of different kind of lashes you can buy. You don't have to just buy one kind of lash. You can just buy multiple different ones, as you can see. But yeah, so $2.79 for 8 pair of lashes isn't bad at all. So as you can see, lashes are pretty cheap, and they have coupons. So you spend $100, you get $5 off. Spend $45, you get $3 off. Well, it says these are expired because they say January. They shouldn't even have these up there. But you can get $2 off $15, and that doesn't expire until April 3rd. Which is what? Oh, it doesn't expire until April 10th, actually. So it starts April 3rd through April 10th. Okay, let's see. Wow, these are a lot of lashes. This says 16 pair. Okay, let's see. You can get 16 pair. No, I'm sorry. These are 20. You can get 20 pair of lashes for $4.91. That's not even $5. That is crazy, okay? That is a lot of lashes for less than $5. Oh, wow, and they even have 2 different sets, or 2 different styles on the same set. That's really cool. But yeah, you can really change it up. But you can't even beat that price. Like, not even $5. What? How much is shipping? And shipping is free? Oh, wait. Shipping is $3 actually for e-packet. So, that's not bad, though. $3 for shipping. That's still pretty cheap. So, let's look at these different kind of lashes they have. But yeah, those are really pretty. Man, I sure got these, but yeah, these are really cute. So what you would do is just buy these in packs and then put them in your own personal lash boxes, which I will get to. But yeah, that is really pretty. Alright, let's see. And then don't forget to look at the reviews. Let's see. Or you can just buy lashes that already comes in a box. So you can just buy the sets as they come. But let's see. So yeah, you can just buy the lash in the box already in a package, but it'll be what, $2.54 just for one set in the box. So that is kind of expensive. Well, we can get what, 10 pair for what, $2. But lash boxes are really expensive though. That is something I did notice, but I will get back to that. Oh, these are cute. But yeah, if you just want to buy it in a set, that's fine too. It'll be $2.54, and then you can charge maybe $7, $8. Some people even charge $10, so you can charge what you want to charge. But yeah, that's really cool. And as you can see, they have different styles of lashes. But the cheapest way is just buying the lashes yourself and then buying the boxes. Yeah, so like these. So these already come in a box. Let's see how much these are. They're $17. $17 for 20 pair mix, and they already come in boxes from my understanding. That's pretty good. That's not even $1 a pair, and it comes with the box. Or so you can get 20 for $17, or you can get 40 pair for $27. And again, I do believe the box is included. Should be included. 50 pair for $33. Or you can get 20 mixed pairs with the logo, so they'll put your logo on the box. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's pretty good. Let's see. Or you can get 50 pair with the logo. So if you get it with the logo, it's pretty much gonna be like $1 a pair. A little bit more than $1, but or you can get the best deal is 100, but you don't get the logo, but you get 100 pairs for $67, and they're mixed pair. 30 pair for $22. 30 pair with logo, $33. Then you have 100 pairs with logo, $104. See, that's not bad. Now, see, I probably would get this 100 deal because I can get 100 lashes with the box and my logo's on it for $104. That's not bad at all. So you're basically paying like $1 per pair with your own logo, and you can charge $5 for it, make a $4 profit on each one. That sounds like a really great deal. I'm going to add that to cart because I might have to check that out a little bit later. Shipping is free for ePacket. ePacket normally takes 2 to 3 weeks, but as you can see, it says May. So it might take a little bit longer because of what's going on right now. And then plus they have to do your logo. So that takes time for them to actually like make it. So that's why it might take a little longer. But that's still a really great deal. But the only thing is the box is okay. You know, I would like to have a better box than that, but for the price, you can't beat that. You can't beat that at all. Plus, you telling me my logo gonna be on it too? That's really good. Oh, let's check out the coupons. So these coupons are expired, but you can save $6 for orders over $65. Now that's really good. Or you buy 15, get 5% off. But I think that is for certain items maybe. I don't know, but you could try it and see if it works. But yeah, that's a really good deal. Let's see. What are these? I don't know what these are. Yeah, what are these? I don't know. Let's keep it moving. Let's see. These are $2 and what? 49 cents a pair. See, that's a robbery. That's way too high. Plus your logo's not going to be on it. So yeah, this is way too high. We already seen the best deal. I know a lot of people, they have lashes in like these circles. I think these are so cute. Shipping's $2. How much? They're $2.94 a pair. That is, what is this? That's way too high. I don't know. These lashes look off to me. I don't like the way these lashes look. But yeah, that's way too high. $2.59 a pair. Yeah, that's too high. Yeah, I don't like these lashes, but the price is still too high. Okay, now let's look at lash boxes. So I'm just gonna type in lash box. Packaging is fine. These are really pretty. So they have these circle, like these squares. They are glitter. They have rectangle. And they come with trays. You have to put them in trays and then put them in the box. But yeah, that's really... Oh, and they have holographic too. So let's see. So we have 4 squares with a tray. It's $6. It's not telling me how many I'm getting. Or I'm just choosing one color. I don't know. This is not clear. Let's see. Okay, you get 10. 10 for what? So for these rectangles, I'm assuming I will get 10 for $2. 10 for $4.66. These would be $6.12 for 10. And the trays should be included on the ones that say with tray. Otherwise, you will not get the tray. So, yeah. These are okay. I don't really like those prices. Now, these are gorgeous. I love the holographic. That's pretty, too. Okay, let's see. Pricing. $14, $14. Each has a different price. These blue ones cost $16. They are holographic. This is gorgeous. I mean, that is so freaking pretty. I love that. That's $16 for 20 or $38 for 50. Yeah, see, lash boxes can be very expensive, but packaging is everything, so I think it's worth every last penny. Oh, that gold one is pretty. Mix the box style. I kind of want all like the same box. These are 33 for 50 or 14 for 20. These are 16 for 20, 38 for 50. So yeah, I think these are pretty much the same price. These are okay. That's pretty. That's pretty. This is very different. So, but then you can't see the other side of the lash. So, second thoughts, pass. Let's look at some more lash boxes. Let's see, what are these? Oh, that's just like a bottom paper for the bottom of it. From the bottom of the case. But do they give you the case too? Let's see, 100 for... Okay, so yeah, these are just simply the paper. These aren't like the actual boxes. That is not what we want. What are these? Oh, that's so cute. So they're like lollipops, but like a lash case. That's cute. The hearts are pretty. Oh, what rhinestones? Okay. These are ugly. The suitcases, I've seen those. Those are pretty. Pricing, $18 for 10. Diamond is 21 for 10. How much is a suitcase? 5 of those for $21. Scam. No, ma'am. Oh, I seen these pill bottles. I'm not a fan of these. 10 for $21. That's way too high. But yeah, guys, you can just type in lash boxes and just look at all these packaging. See which one you like. This is the one that I chose, and I chose pink. And I paid $38 for 50 of these. These are what my lashes look like. As you can see, they are holographic pink. And this is a sticker that I have on here. As you can see, it's slightly bigger than the pink that's on there, which I hate, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. So if you haven't already, check out my DIY labels video. It's on my channel. I'll leave a card in this video so you can click on that. This size is, I want to say it's 1 by something. I'll leave it in the video, I don't remember. And I made these labels myself. So again, these are the boxes, these are the lashes, these are 3D minks. Okay, so the hardest thing about these is definitely folding the box. As you can see, this is not closed right. So I'm definitely have to go back and fix that. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the other things that I bought. And I did not buy the packaging like this. I actually put these in the packaging. Each of these was $1.19 for 5 pairs. I want to say it was $1.19 or $1.50. These are the lash boxes that I ordered. I ordered 50 of these boxes, and these are holographic. I paid $38 for these boxes alone, just for 50 of these, and they took, I don't know, like a month to come. And I also purchased this on AliExpress. Everything in this video is from AliExpress. These are some lash applicators that I bought from AliExpress as well. These applicators cost, they cost 17 cents for each one. I bought 50, so I'm going to sell them as a set. So these would go with the lashes. I don't sell the lashes individually. But yeah, so that is how I created my lash business. So these are what I put them in. As you see, it's a bunch of these. So I would just take the lashes off the case, place them in these, and then I would place them in the lash box, just like this.